in November 2024 retrofit on the Hibernaculum at the gatehouse. And we've dug down about 5 feet in an old hibernaculum that had been filled with all that rubble, but all the spaces between the rubble had been filled up with soil, and they had covered the whole thing with soil as well. So we've dug down about 4 or 5 feet, and we're just starting to put back some rubble in there and blocks and stuff to stand the monitoring pipe up, and he's starting to place the large pieces back. And you can see he's got some pieces, large pieces in there, and he's placing them so that there is nice big cavities formed underground. The dump truck is bringing us a load of large woody debris, logs and stuff like that from the site. And you can see we've broken the monitoring pipe, so it's about half its height now. And he continues to put in pieces, including some of the large woody debris mixed in with the concrete and with stone. And again, making sure there's lots of nice cavities in there. Those are Edgar workers, good workers. Okay, lots of nice cavities, placing big pieces. Now that he's got everything placed, he's dug the trench so we can put the drainage pipe in. One of the problems was that because of the tight clay soils, the holes had the tendency, the hibernaculum had the tendency to fill up with water in the middle of the winter and freeze over if we had a thaw freeze cycle. So we're putting in a drainage pipe on a downslope away. It's approximately setting the water height in that hibernaculum to about 18 inches below grade, below which it won't fill up anymore, or for long it won't fill up because it should drain out. We had to go a couple of lengths of pipe to make sure we got the downhill slope. And then we came back and continued to fill, and now we're filling above grade just with the rest of all the material that's around. There we're getting our monitoring, another section of monitoring pipe put back on, and we're starting to put an overburden of this small rock. That's the rock they brought, and it would have been too small to use to fill the pits because there's not enough spaces between those pieces, but it's making a good overburden. So we just fill, we keep loading it up, and there we are. And it's about 4 feet above grade. And that's Sarah and Brooke in the background. Sarah is the ecology and education assistant at Ruthven Park, and Brooke is their student that they have every morning, high school student. So good job, everybody.